sure, but that golden-haired young man looks a lot like Chi-Chi's husband to me. What on earth is he doing on television fighting that monster?
Don't ask me. Don't know why, Chi-Chi, let your husband run wild like that. It's shameful.
Achoo! I think I'm worrying myself sick.
Come on, Goku, you gotta do something!
Oh,